test ride. 2016 Kawasaki ZX-10R Superbike. The fifth generation of the 2016 Kawasaki ZX-10R has arrived loaded with hardware and software to rival anything currently on dealer floors. How good is it? We went to Malaysia's Superbike circuit to find out. The 2016 Kawasaki ZX-10R project leader, the famed Yoshimoto Matsuda, put it very succinctly when he spoke of his new baby to the US motorcycle press in the SEPA garages. A fast bike to ride is an easy bike to ride. It should work with you, not against you. That's how you go faster. Truer words have never been spoken. The bike that your friend will always want to make you push harder than a bike that hates you. But for me, the 2016 Kawasaki ZX-10R has been a perplexing machine. Blindingly fast in certain hands, then it is known as a knife-edged bike, with power high in the rear and a chassis that takes a particular riding style to extract the most performance.